How to fix Microsoft OneDrive not uploading files. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new video, and on today's video we will see how we can fix if you're not able to upload any file in your OneDrive. So let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that your Wi-Fi connection or your internet is working properly. If you have bad or poor internet connection, you won't be able to upload files to your OneDrive. So check your internet connection. And the second option is to check whether you have enough storage in your OneDrive or not. Now to check your storage, navigate to your settings icon from the top right corner, and from this menu bar, go to options. Another option, there is option as manage storage, and under manage storage, you will be able to view the available space in your OneDrive. So make sure you have enough space to upload the file. If this still doesn't help you, then you have to refresh OneDrive. Simply close this and open up on the new tab and refresh once again. And if this still doesn't help you, then the next thing you have to make sure is the file that you're trying to upload is in the correct format. OneDrive supports to some specific file format. If that doesn't matches with your file format, then also you won't be able to upload any file. So check your file format. And if that still doesn't help you, the last thing you can do is to simply log out from your account and then again log in back. Now to log out, navigate to your top right corner and click on your profile icon, and from here simply go to and click on sign out. Once you sign out, log in back again, refresh once more time, and then try to upload the file. So these are the ways that will help you to fix if you are not able to upload files to your OneDrive. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.